Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam Tutor. Today we will solve practice sheet 2 for class 4 annual exam 2024-25 of DAV Public School, Cuttack. This practice sheet is from the chapter Time and Calendar. We have already finished the practice sheet 1. If you miss it, you can see it on my channel. To get PDF of this sheet, join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Link at the description below. So let us start the session. So take a pen and paper and start. First question number 1. Minute hand take dash minute to move from 12 to 5. Okay. This is a clock. We know that this is minute hand at 12. It will go to the to 5. Okay, here is 5. Now we know that if it go from 12 to 1, it cover 5 minutes. Yes or no? Again go to 2, then it cover total 10 minutes. Now 3 means 15 minutes, and 4 means 20 minutes, 5 means 25 minutes. Okay. So 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 20, 5, 25. So answer is 25 minutes. Now quarter 2. 2 means 11. Quarter means minus 15. That is 60 minus 15. That is 45. So 11:45. We know that at night 11:45 is PM. So answer is PM. Next, if the question asks quarter past 12, that means 12:15. This is AM. Understand? Now, number of days in the month when we can celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day means November. So tell me, in November how many days? November means 30 days. So answer is 30 days. Okay. January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. Okay. Now, in a year, dash month have 31 days. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7 months have 31 days. Similarly, 30 days 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now, Rima has breakfast at 9:10. Breakfast means morning time. Morning time means AM. So answer is AM. 8 days equal to dash hour. Okay. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Similarly, 8 day equal to 8 into 24. Now simply multiply 24 into 8. 8 4 ja 32. 8 2 ja 16. 3 19. So answer is 192 hours. Next question number 7. 12 hour equal to dash minute. First of all, we know the relation. What is the relation between hour and minute? We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Yes or no? Similarly, we can write 12 hours is equal to 12 into 60. Yes or no? Now 12 6 ja 72, 0. So answer is 720 minutes. Next, 7 PM is equal to dash. Okay, this is important question. How to write? Now we know that this is 12-hour format. This is 24-hour format. Okay. Now in 12-hour format, 1 to 12 and 24-hour format 1 to 12 are equal by morning time. Okay. But after in 12 hour, that is 1, 2, 3. It is PM. The first is AM. 1 AM. Then 2 AM. Similarly, now PM. PM up to 11 59 pm. Okay, here is 1 2 3 12. Now 1 pm, that is 13, 2 pm, that is 14, 3 pm, that is 15 hours. All are hours, not am and pm. Okay, now the question is 7. 7 means simply we add the 12, that is 12 plus 7, that is 19. So answer is 1900 hours. Okay, 3 is 15. Similarly, 4 is 16, 5 is 17, 6 is 18, 7 is 19. Yes or no? Or simply you can add the 12. Okay, so tell me, 6 pm, simply add 12, that is 18. So 18 hour. Understand? Next question. 1500 hours equal to dash 12 hour clock time. Okay, sorry, 1500, no, 1500 means 15 hour equal to dash in 12 hour format. Okay, 12 hour format means we subtract from 12, 15. Okay, that is 3. So 3 pm. Clear? If the question is 2000 hour, then what is the 12 hour format? Simply minus 12, 8, that is 8 pm. Understand? Now, next, 3 century dash year. Okay, first of all, remember the relation. We know 1 century is equal to 100 year. Similarly, 3 century, 3 into 100, that is 300 years. Next, 4 year dash month. First of all, remember 1 year equal to how much? How many months? That is 12 months. Similarly, 4 years is equal to 4 into 12, that is 48 months. Now 2 hour after 6:05 am, 6:05 am, we add 2, that is 8. Yes or no? 8:05, sorry, 05, that is 8:05 am. After means addition, simply addition. Hour will be added. Now I get up from the bed at 5 am because morning time means am. Afternoon is pm. Okay, afternoon, night, pm. Now 1:05 after midnight. Okay, midnight means 12. Now after 12 means it is am because after midnight the time is am. Okay, 1 2 3 4 midnight. Now quarter to 7. Quarter to 7 means 6:45. Yes or no? And dash minute dash past. Okay, quarter means 15 minute. Okay, 15 minute. And quarter to 7 equal to 15 minute. Okay, question किसी भूल अच्छी. Quarter to 7 equal to 6:45. Okay, so dash minute dash past. Okay, so answer is 45 minute past 6. Okay, we can write quarter to 7 as 45 minute past 6. Clear? So completed. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिवो. चैनल न्यू अच्छो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दियो. When I upload the video, then you can notify